An API gateway is an API management tool that sits between a client and a collection of backend services. Acting as a reverse proxy, the API gateway accepts API calls and directs the requests to the appropriate services. By providing a single point of entry for all microservices, API gateways typically execute common tasks for API services, such as rate limiting and user authentication. They also ensure high availability, scalability, and decreased errors, which makes mobile application development easier and more efficient. However, though API gateways provide very much needed basic API security controls, they unfortunately are not enough to adequately protect your business from API-specific threats. For example, broken object level authorization attacks, often referred to as BOLA, appear as normal API traffic to gateways. This lack of contextual awareness between API requests and responses enables BOLA attacks to pass through undetected and access critical backend services. Not only can this flaw leave you vulnerable to BOLA exploits, you can also fall victim to other attacks and business logic abuse as well. Another visibility limitation involves maintaining an accurate API inventory. Enterprises manage thousands of APIs, many of which are not routed through a proxy, such as an API gateway. These are referred to as rogue or zombie APIs. These APIs were likely deployed by former employees or before your organization got serious about API security. Regardless of the reason, if your API gateway can't see them, it becomes easy to underestimate just how many APIs you have. Luckily for you, Noname Security can find and inventory all your APIs, including rogue, shadow, and zombie APIs. We also empower you to conduct real-time API traffic analysis and leverage contextual insights into data leakage, data tampering, data policy violations, suspicious behavior, and API security attacks. If you'd like to learn how Noname integrates with API gateways and other legacy infrastructure to proactively secure your environment from API security vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and design flaws, visit nonamesecurity.com.